The Jordanian pace sticking team are now on parade. They've marched on, and now you can see the person on the right-hand side is called the right marker. So he will come forward and he will halt in a position where the rest of the team will then form up onto him. Just in the front of all of the pace sticking team, you will see the driver. And he is the one that's given the words of command today. And now they get into a position ready for inspection. So you'll see them all bracing up, covering off, and then the driver making his way around to the right-hand side of the parade, where you will be met by the officer who will inspect prior to the pace sticking competition. That driver then will follow the inspecting officer around, inspecting every bit of kit on that pace sticking individual. So starting with the first person, so he is known as the right-hand marker, and he will be the lead in terms of dressing throughout the whole of the competition. And the key things that we're picking up here as a judge is we're looking at the smartness of the individual from head to toe. That's every bit of equipment that they're wearing, whether the tie is central, whether the shirt is pressed correctly, whether the shoes are polished highly, and the position of the pace stick whilst the inspection is going on. Once that's complete, you'll see the driver. He will halt facing the officer that is inspecting and ask for leave to carry on. This then is the indication for the inspection phase complete. What we do next is called proving sticks. So you'll see a regimental sergeant major as part of the judging team will come across with his pace stick open, and he'll make sure that the pace sticks are all set to the correct length. And then a drill movement for proving sticks is made by the team. And this is a ricochet effect, so the right-hand man will start, followed by the centre, followed by the left-hand person. Points are deducted for pace sticks set at a different length, but we're also looking at to make sure the pace stick is polished correctly, because it has elements of wood and brass on the pace sticks, and that is in good order, it's not broken or anything like that. The first box is a change stick, so that's moving from the right to the left hand. Still maintaining the same dressings throughout. But this time the pace stick has moved to the left hand, which is slightly more difficult for those of you who are right and left-handed, not operating with a pace stick in the correct hand. They're moving to the second box now, where they'll do another change sticks, and you'll hear the driver at the back give that word of command.
Change sticks!
So he's changed sticks then, and then they've carried sticks, and it's important to do that within the box because they'll lose points if they get outside the box. So they're given those coordination markers to set by. So they're now carrying the stick, and when we're looking at carrying the stick needs to be fully vertical when they're holding with their arms 90 degrees. They've now gone into pacing sticks through the box, and they progress. So that's the first part. So they've had a box where they've changed sticks and carry, and now they're pacing sticks again. So they're halfway through the course of this stage. So they change sticks over to the right hand now, and then the final box is the carry sticks.
Carry!
And certainly as a pace sticker, this is one of the easiest parts of the pace sticking competition, is going up in slow time. And when you've carried sticks here, you can relax slightly because you're concentrating on just the dressing as opposed to any pace stick movement. The final bit here now is they get to the end of the last two markers. What they'll do is they'll halt, about turn, and then they'll get into a position of stood easy.
About turn!
Once that is done, the judges break away for a 2-minute break. And this is a chance for them to rub their hands, shake themselves out, ready for pace sticking in quick time.
By the centre! Quick march!
You'll notice now from slow time where they have their hands pinned into the side of the body, the arms are now swinging. So it's another part for the inspecting officers to look at in terms of the height of the arm. The elbow is straight and is fully to the rear and shoulder high. They've changed sticks and they've carried sticks, so that's quite quick compared to the slow time. The next box, they'll pace sticks, again inside the box as the stick hits the ground, and you can hear the stick bouncing at the ground. Now this is the hardest part, so this is the second change of the sticks in the left hand, and if you're not left-handed, this is where we normally lose sticks on the ground, but Jordan really holding their own there as they finally change sticks. Over to the last box now, so this is the carry sticks at the end before they then get prepared to march off. They've held on to that, no drop sticks at all. Really good show from the Jordanians there.